Let's do the food challenge. I'm joined obviously by Clarice and by Johan. Say hi. Hello. And we're gonna do part 2, which is that we're gonna take everything we bought yesterday and we're gonna try them one by one just to see what it's like. First up we have this. It's Devil's Red. We have a solitary chicken wing. Look at this thing. It's a bit sad, right? It's just by itself. We're gonna try that. This one does not look good, but whatever this is, it looks like some kind of seaweed or something. We have this. Is it clams?
No, it's mussels.
Mussels. Then we have, this actually looks really nice, guys. It's salmon. Actually, it probably looks like it's going to be quite nice. We have that. We have this, which is the Katsu, big Katsu, and that's just fried pork. And we have this.
The balls.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this, but look at it.
Good.
Yeah, okay. Is it clams?
Yeah.
This is clams. This is some kind of fish. Pickled fish. And then, last but not least, it's this thing. It's pork intestines. Like, what is it? Ears. Pork ears. Nice, attractive yellow packaging. We're ready to go, so let's do this now. What should we start with?
I'm trying, okay.
Some kind of seaweed.
Nice feeling.
It actually smells quite nice.
Oh.
I'll just show this.
It smells like cigarettes.
Cigarettes? Why? Okay, here goes.
I don't know.
Oh. Oh my god. What the hell is this?
Maybe it's to make tea or something.
Maybe, yeah.
I don't think it's supposed to be eaten.
Okay, that was a fail. I'll just spit this out. Is this food?
20 minutes later.
So weird.
That was terrible. Second thing, this. Oh, that looks delicious. Look at that. Oh my god, yes. Oh, it smells. Oh, it really smells.
It's like cat food.
Oh. How is it?
It's okay.
Oh my god.
It has potential, but it's not.
It's very fishy, very greasy, but it's also kind of soft. You know, you expect it to be crunchy, right? It's not crunchy.
I expected it more crunchy.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's like crisps. You just put in water, and then it went all soggy. Out of 10.
6?
5.
Yeah, maybe 5, 5.5.
Edible.
Yeah. Okay.
Wasn't that bad.
It wasn't as bad as the first one. Yeah, like the first one was. I think we're just gonna go with something a bit normal at this point. Because
Yes.
I think we need this. Yeah. This is the big Katsu, which presumably is pork. Ooh, I was not expecting that. Go on, guys. Oh.
So it tastes like
Oil.
curry.
It actually is curry flavored. Again, it's like some kind of fried food that you left outside in the rain. Look at this. I thought it was going to be crispy because it looks really crispy, but look at it.
Nothing is
What I can do with
crispy.
this.
Like,
It's pretty
it's a
underwhelming.
little bit spicy.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a little bit.
It's getting better now. This was not bad. I would give this maybe a 7.
I give it a 6 as well. 6.5.
Yeah.
A generous 7. Moving on. We're gonna attempt something terrible, which is the mussels. Look at this. I'm legit petrified by that. It's terrible.
Smell it.
Oh god. Oh god. That looks just like on the packet.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair. But it looks terrible on the packet. That's the only problem.
How is it?
Is it good?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Doesn't look so good.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh wow. So much is happening right now. Okay, so it tastes of the ocean.
Yeah.
It tastes of fermented ocean, essentially.
Yeah.
It's very creamy.
Like they died 2 years ago.
Yeah.
They probably did.
Ooh, and it leaves the aftertaste as well.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. It's like an old dead fish. Oh, why would you eat this? Why-
I feel like having a shot of tequila after that.
Okay, that was absolutely terrible. I give this a -1 out of 10.
Minus
What's
one.
your review?
2.
to
like -10.
minus
or
10, yeah.
million.
So that's just whatever that averages
Yeah.
to. That's what this gets.
It's not.
The clams. Oh no! What happened to these clams? Look at this.
I think they're dead.
Those are insane.
No. It's good.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of this. Oh. Honestly, this is actually quite nice. I could actually eat this.
Yeah.
I enjoyed that.
Maybe
Wow.
in a burger.
Okay. Basically, it's like eating a tin of kind of very strangely textured tuna. Moving on. So this is some kind of fish preserve or something. Something.
Oh.
Jesus, what is going on in there? Ooh.
Smells like cat food.
It actually does.
That's pretty good.
It's like sweet and
Oh, that's really good.
like
Kind of a sweet, kind of curryish sauce.
Would actually be very good on a toast.
yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. I'd really enjoy eating this as a normal meal. Actually, this is the first time I'm saying this. Moving on, guys.
Oh, the eggs. Yes.
God, why are they brown? Let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. The brown eggs.
Oh,
Oh,
it leaks. Oh.
oh, it's juicy. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. That is tougher than expected.
Yeah.
Very dry.
But you're supposed to put them in ramen, not eat like this.
Even ramen, I don't know if.
I'm not a fan of these.
I would give like 4
6
or
out
5.
of 10.
6? Okay, I would say 5. Because,
It's like it's edible, but not enjoyable.
yeah, exactly. We should do the ears first, then we can, like Johan was saying, we finish with this. That way,
No.
because it's going to be too spicy at the end anyways. Okay.
I know I won't like it.
Oh god.
It's very chewy.
Ooh. Not much.
It smells like vinegar.
It smells pretty good actually. Oh my god.
Oh, it's soft. It's like really soft and rubbery.
Oh,
Oh no. Oh.
the texture. Oh, I hate it.
Oh, it's absolutely terrible. That is vile. Chewy.
It's sour.
It's sour.
Sweet. Chewy.
It's soft. It's
And the texture, like the.
it's like some conjunctive tissue
Yes,
type
conjunctive
deal.
tissue.
But it's like kind of mushy and soft and sweet at the same time.
the
And
taste.
rubbery. I would give this a 1. Honestly, I'd get on the.
Yeah.
So we only have one thing left. Johan hates spicy food apparently.
I love it.
No.
Let's go.
This is what it looks like.
So far, it's good.
It's so far so good. Maybe you could just use your hands at this point though.
Is it spicy?
Okay, first thing, very oily. Something that has been completely fried
5 times.
at least 5 times. It's just basically fried dough or something.
It's fried edible matter.
Yeah, honestly, on the spice level, this is nothing.
Yeah.
It's a little spicy,
Like,
but
they put like the devil on it and everything, like it's terrible. Devil's red. Oops. Now, taste-wise,
It's
is it good?
it's just like a bit spicy. It doesn't have any taste. It's salty.
It's really
spicy.
meh.
it's
And
really
airy.
meh.
I rate this a meh out of 10.
Yeah.
So, extra bonus round, guys. Bonus round. This thing, I'm not exactly sure what this is. Some kind of.
It's written. It's camu camu.
But what is a camel?
It's this. Camu camu.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well, there you go then. There. And some kind of dried squid
That looks delicious.
thing, which actually, yeah, it does look delicious.
Let's have the camu camu.
Let's have the camel. Let's see. Would you like? Oh my god, is that enough?
No. It's very hard.
Yeah.
Oh!
It's like a camu camu that's been left on the beach for about 2 months
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
in the sun.
Oh!
You're not going to love it. To like it, I mean.
Oh! You're right. It's
Yeah.
terrible.
It's like
Oh, it's very fishy.
Yeah.
Why does this exist? Why? So, oh, gee, it just gets worse. It just keeps coming with the fishiness. And
It's not bad. It's just really.
I need water.
maybe you need vodka.
Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Let's do the last one. Which
That's
is,
the dessert.
okay. The squid. Dried squid generally is quite nice. I've never tried this one in particular, but let me just show this. Okay, here we go. Ooh, very vinegary.
That's...
Size of that.
I like it.
Do you like it? She Alright. A little bit chewy. Taste of octopus. Slight kind of fishy, but not as bad as the previous one. It's not my favourite. I don't really like
Eat
it. No.
Eat it.
Oh my god. Just one piece was enough.
I think if it was a bit less dry, it would be perfect.
Yeah. I will give this, what do you think? 6.5? 7?
No, I'll give it a 7.
Yeah, 7.5.
Wow.
Yeah.
Solid 7. Good. Well, so that concludes the food challenge of the day. If you're in Japan, I encourage you to do this. Buy all sorts of random things and give it a shot because you never know. You can discover.
Get drunk before.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Or not. I'll see you soon for the next video, I guess.